You're never going to be left on an island. You know, if you're working, if something happens that you got to stay late, there's always somebody ready to come help you. Name is Carl Hotman. I've been here for 5 years, master plumber. Everybody kind of rallies together to get the job done. It's not always that way with every company, you know. Everybody all for themselves and just want to get themselves done, but you know, it's not like that around here. We have fun together, you know, plenty of joking around and making fun of each other, but that's just kind of the normal. Everybody just trusts you, you know, to do your thing. They aren't micromanaging. Me and my apprentice Noah kind of tag team everything together, and he has been able to learn a lot, you know, and I have the time to show him stuff, you know, that the company's not breathing down my neck to push on to one job to get to the next one, you know, to take the time to do it right. I mean, Cardinal Heating, they've always done the right thing. They try to do the right thing, even though it's always harder to do the right thing every time, but there's still a family atmosphere here that everybody cares and wants you to succeed as much as the company. So, can't beat that.